I'm Chad here at Pendleton at Bain. Been working on New Holland equipment for probably about the last 10 years. Anywhere from the heavy side all the way down to the light construction side that we do have here. Alrighty, here we have a C332 skid steer on tracks. Main thing to go over on this is, of course, check your oil daily. And a lot of people can't see it, but back here, right underneath your oil filter is where you check your hydraulic fluid. Always check it with the boom down and your coupler all the way back. And one thing on these too, a lot of people don't do on the skid steers, which we have seen some issues with it, is always grease the faceplate, because the pins will freeze up in them on your quick coupler. Also on these, you want to always keep your air filters clean on them. As far as for the regen issues, the better, cleaner the air filter, you'll have less emissions issues out of them. And track extension, at the end of the day, always keep your tracks clean. Clean out with mud and debris, 1/4 inch slat play on them. They're just filled with grease. If you need to tighten them up, regular grease gun will fit right on them and tighten them. On these, on the 332s and any other 300 series, New Holland has updated their wiring harnesses and stuff in these. The 200 series, we did see some issues in the 200 series. The 300 series have been a lot better. They've updated to a heavier harness and rerouted, so there is less pinching and worn wires, even on the engine side. They redesigned the cab to where the cab meets the frame on both sides, to where you get less debris down into the belly pan, so you're not causing so much wiring issues like we used to see in the 200 series. They did update the inside of the cabs to where we went from the old LCD pillar to an actual LED monitor, to where it has a backup camera in them now. Come from factory that way, give you a little more visibility behind the machine. If you have any questions or want to schedule a service, call the Bain & Welker branch here in Pendleton, and we'll gladly take care of you.